peeps. So got that other piece of turkey breast. I gotta go ahead and get cooked up today. I'm gonna go ahead and just peel the meat off this bad boy. Let me turn the light on. Put this meat right on off. Oh yeah. Because I don't need this skin. So I'm going to cut it off. Now I'm using this marinade sauce, but I'm going to do a little bit different. For marinade stuff, once you marinate it with raw food, you pretty much can't do nothing else with that marinade sauce because of cross contamination. So I'm going to do this slightly different. I'm going to cook the meat first, then marinate it. And what this is going to do is it's going to allow me to use that sauce because now the food is completely cooked and any bacteria or whatever that may be still alive will no longer be alive. And so I'm going to go ahead and cook this up now. This daggone bone. Okay. Cut this stuff up. Any more bones? Yeah, it's this whole back end here. Got this whole bone, a little bit of bone attachage. Get rid of that mess. Yeah, boy, you can tell when you get a part of that tenderloin. Stuff a little rough. Oh yeah, tenderloins. Okay. We still got this little piece of. This is pretty much where it was attached to the bone. You still got some of that tough. Ain't nobody eating that. Okay. Take your butt off. Come on. Stop playing with me. Okay, there we go. Done. All right, there we go. I don't know what kind of vegetables if I'm going to add to this. I have to go see what I got left. I know my son loves broccoli, so I meant to pick up some when I was out and about. But I forgot. So we're going to have to see what we got and what we can work with. Okay, let's see. This is all, oops, got a piece of meat here. There's really no bone or nothing. Yep, it is right there, that little part. That tenderloin sure is tough. Okay, peeps. Now I'm going to go ahead and put a little olive oil on this, and I'm going to cook this on low heat so I can get it up and running, up and cooking. And then I'll be back with you guys. I changed my mind. Well, I'm not going to just. I'm going to use some herb and garlic. This you normally marinate this, like basically get the meat and marinate it up for a couple hours and then you cook it. I'm going to go a whole different route. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to bypass the whole marinating part, and I'm just going to get right to the get go. So I'm curious Oh, this smell. You know, this smells almost like salad dressing. Look at that. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, baby. I'm curious what it tastes like. You know, that tastes a lot like what's that salad dressing called? Italian. Is it Italian? No, that's not. Yes, Italian dressing. So what I'm going to do with this, I'm going to let it simmer on low heat for a while it's marinating and get all these flavors to soak into this turkey breast. And while that's going on, you know me, throwing some extra goodies, a little bit of onions. Where's my onions on? I think I'm about to cut up some more onions. Okay. Well, I'm going to cut up some more onions, and I'm going to add some noodles. I got some leftovers. I'm just going to go ahead and knock these out because I want to get rid of them. And I'm going to put those in the pot, get those cooking. I'll be peeps. So, I know this is already going to be delicious. So I'm just going to put some of these, a little bit of these mixed noodles in here with this. Yeah, because, you know me, I don't like to waste anything. If I can recycle something or use something or use noodles or whatever, I'm going to do it. I'm going to make it right. I'm going to make it right. That's where I keep forgetting to hit that button. Now, it doesn't matter what kind of noodles you use, because I use the rest of what was in one bottle and the other. But this will be part of what I'll call the dollar store series, because this I got at the dollar store. $1.25. Surprisingly, a lot of things you can get from the dollar store don't taste that bad. Surprisingly, you would think dollar store lower quality. Yes, no, maybe so, but it is what it is. I'm gonna let this simmer for a little bit, and then we're gonna do a quick taste. Test. Peeps, it is time for the get down with the get down. Let's get a little bit of this and give a quick taste test. Okay. So, quick sniff. It's like I said, it smells a lot like Italian dressing. Now that gives a very interesting twist to these noodles. I mean, to this chicken breast. That's nice. That is. I would never thought in 1,000 years that this would have turned out the way it did. And this is pure off the tip of my head. I didn't go look this up, no nothing. This just, I took some chicken breast, turkey breast. I wanted to do something with it. And I had this sitting around and I wanted to do something with this. So I mashed this up with some turkey breast. And with some noodles and some green peppers and some onions, of course. This is really nice. It's like, I can't describe what it's like, other than If you put Italian dressing on a salad, it's still not like that. But just think of the Italian dressing by itself. You would taste some of that in this. So how would I rate it? This is a good 9. This is absolutely fabulous. It's tasty, delicious. Wow, that's really, really nice. All right, family. Until next time, I'm out of here.